This is Judd at White Wave. This is Friday. It's 1 o'clock. Let's just go to the quote board here. First of all, the S&Ps are not looking good, nor is the NASDAQ. But they've come to my first targets, so they have to digest here. Whether you get continued selling later in the afternoon, it's possible, but we close much below today's lows. I'm looking for a lot lower. So the weekly doesn't look good. What we really want to look at are these quarterly charts. That is massive topping pattern. Massive. So you do not want to own stocks. You can trade them, but don't own them. Nvidia, the semis, Microsoft's just corrective, Apple's corrective. What I'm looking at right now is if my risk spreads give me an ORL week, that is going to be insanely negative. The NASDAQ bonds, already given it to me. So I want everything I've just showed you is tech. I'll let this work a second. Let's see if I got the right one up there. I got to go to active. Even I pick out the wrong charts once in a while. You need an active daily continuation if you're using the bonds. This is really bearish. You had it up here at the top. Now it's kind of a mid move, and if this thing starts down, you're just gonna see selling continue all the way through Monday. So there's no buying anything. You're gonna get you should get a little bounce off these lows in the S&Ps and the NASDAQ, because I've got some magic numbers down there that should provide some sort of a bounce, but not a lot. We close below today's lows. This thing's bye-bye. I'm still on the gold. I got out of the silver yesterday. I trimmed my gold yesterday, which, I wrote that I was probably going to regret it, but, $150 in the gold on my last buys, I'm not going to complain about it. The yen's rallying because it's year-end Sunday night in Japan, and they're just squaring their books. And it's risk off, so they bring money home. Other than that, that's about all I've got for you. If you want to come in and into the room, find out what we're doing, go to whitewavetradingstrategies.com. Let me get my little thing up right here. And all you have to do is put your name and email in, and you can